for supermarket display freezer. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right. We have a length of 74 inches. A depth 35 inches. And an overall height of 33 inches tall. Coming to the lower right column is the temperature controller along with the operational switches. Coming to the right and left section are slide doors. Below are 4 dividers that can split your shelves beneath into 5 different sections. Each section right now currently measure 12 inches in length, 26 inches in depth, and a height of 8.5 inches. And again, the length for each section below can be adjusted with the dividers that will be included. Interior dimensions for the freezer will include 68 inches in length, a depth of 29 inches, and a height of 23 inches. Left and right slide doors on top can retract back to its position easily. Coming to the lower left column on the back of the freezer is the ETL NSF certification, along with the 110/120 voltage required for this freezer. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.